The newest Cali dishcloth isn't just a more effective dishwashing product, it also repels dirt and is fully antibacterial. And so, it's time to take the source of germs out of your kitchen. It's been proven by British scientists that typical dishcloths and sponges are the dirtiest items in the house, even dirtier than toilet seats. They accumulate germs that cause horrific odour and may lead to serious illness. Introducing Cali, the world's first safe dishcloth. Specially designed bristles clean any surface to perfection and are also easily cleaned themselves without keeping any oil stains, dirt or food remains. Cali doesn't get stained and serves you far longer. Cali is made out of ecologically clean bamboo. Bamboo contains a substance that kills up to 70% of germs. The spongy fibre absorbs moisture a lot quicker than ordinary cotton. Bamboo fibre has a remarkably spongy structure, micropores and pinholes, allowing it to absorb moisture quicker than cotton. Thanks to its obvious advantages, you'll be using Cali for far longer than your ordinary dishcloth. And it's great for your family budget. And most importantly, it's a great benefit for nature. Besides dishes, Cali will easily handle any surface. It cleans effectively without leaving stains. Cali, your everlasting bamboo dishcloth.